Hey guys, welcome to day 8 of my 12 days of Christmas. Today is this adorable snowflake mug. Like, I can't get enough of this style. So there's just one big white snowflake on the front and a different style on the back. But it is just so gorgeous. This glitter is Baby It's Cold from my Christmas collection. And when I saw this sweater, you guys, I had to have it because how absolutely perfect is this? Need I say more? When you find an outfit that matches your tumbler, that is goals. That is goals right there. I can't think of anything better. So let's get on into the tutorial for this adorable little snowflake mug. And don't forget to stay tuned for tomorrow for day 9. So I found this adorable little campfire mug. It was TJ Maxx for only $3.99. I thought it was just so cute. I actually used this same style for one of my Christmas cups last year, but I think it's a really cute mug as it is. But like always, we are going to glam it up a bit. So starting off with mattify to prep the cup. Then I painted it this really pretty blue from Rust-Oleum. It's like the chalk line or whatever, chalk paint line. Once that was dry, I took some Artistry epoxy and just did a really thin layer to lay down our glitter. And my paint did drip a little bit, but it doesn't matter because we're just going over with glitter. You just want to really make sure to get all over the whole entire handle and make sure there's no drips or globs. So then going in with Baby It's Cold from my Christmas collection. I am obsessed with this glitter. It's so pretty. It's just a beautiful mix of a baby blue, silver, and white. This is currently out of stock until I get more of the white in to go in this, but I will have it back in stock. It will be regular. All of my Color Flex colors are going to be permanent unless it's a special edition, but so far I don't have anything like that. But we're just doing a full coverage in this glitter, including the handle and the bottom. And I'm seriously in love with this glitter. It's just so pretty. So then once that was dry, I'm going in with my first layer of Artistry epoxy. And I like to pour it on my hand when I'm doing a chunkier glitter like this. I just feel like I have more control over where the epoxy is going and I can use more than just dipping my finger in it, because you definitely are going to use more going right over glitter since it kind of seeps in between the glitter. I don't know, you just use a lot more. Then I usually stop it to kind of work around the handle. Just make sure I'm getting the whole handle covered and not globby or chunky or anything. Then going on with another layer of the Artistry epoxy. We just want a really smooth base for our decals. Then I cut out some snowflake decals in this white vinyl. And my silhouette this day was just giving me problems. So it did not cut very well. I think I needed a new blade. So I ended up having to really work at weeding these out, which it should have just been pulling it off in 2 seconds. But of course, no, it did not work that way. And I had to sit there and weed it for quite some time. But I just really love the style of these snowflakes, and I just wanted one big one on the front and one big one on the back. So then using some packing tape to transfer these to my cup. Sometimes you just gotta use what you have laying around, and it worked. It worked fine. It just wasn't the best. So just placing that right in the middle of the front. And then because it was kind of going under the little lip, I had to slit the tape to kind of get that to lay down flat. And yes, my thumbnail was broken, but I did not have time to fix it and it broke, so sorry. Then there was also these like little kind of design lines inside the middle snowflake part, which didn't weed out in the beginning, so I just weeded them off the cup directly. So then the front was done. So then adding the one to the back. So then more epoxy. Then a fourth final layer for this cup. So then it was all cured and done. And I am just obsessed with this style of the cup, the mug itself, and the snowflakes, and the sparkle of Baby It's Cold. It all just worked together so well, and I am just so pleased with how this turned out. It's just so dang cute. So now let's style this for a gift. So I thought just having the mug as it is, I found these little chocolate covered cookies for $5.99. I think these were from Burlington. Like, how perfect are these socks that I found? These are Muck Mucks socks, and they were only $5.99 at TJ Maxx. They're just perfect. I got some silver tinsel from Hobby Lobby just to kind of throw in there. So adding my tinsel. And I just find that when you do gifts like this and you kind of make things match, it just looks like it is such a better gift than if it were just like 3 random things that didn't have to do with each other. Like, I think matching the color or the style or the theme just makes it so much more special and thought out, and just the presentation ends up being a million times better than had you not done that. So just sticking those in just like that. Then I kind of trimmed off the tinsel and it was kind of getting staticky, so it took me a few minutes to kind of remove the extra. But there we have our little gift. Like, how cute? Who would not want to get this as a gift? That's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for day 9 tomorrow. Bye, guys.